Every few months, a new AI tool shows up claiming to change everything. This time, it's MiMo Code. Developers are excited, creators are making videos about it, and some are even comparing it to the Claude Code. But should you care? If not, today we are putting MiMo Code to the test to see if it can actually back up the hype. Let's start by seeing what MiMo Code actually is and why so many developers are suddenly talking about it. Main things, MiMo Code is an open source platform and it is a Chinese model. Everyone knows that. This is the official GitHub repo of this MiMo Code. Currently 10.5 key stack and nearly 1K fork are there. This is totally open source. You can easily check it out if you have time and if you want to launch something new. Let's see what does it claiming and its feature and performance respect its hype. If you want to visit its official website, visit it. I'll provide the link is in video description. MiMo Code is similar look like Claude Code and Open Code and it provides some model for free. MiMo Code Auto is built in as a free for a limited time channel. It will be free for a limited time. So you can and start with the zero configuration, but MiMo Code has also support connecting to many mainstream LLM provider API. If you want to use its API, then it will be paid. Yeah, we are downloading it and exploring it sometime later. Give me just a minute. Let's explore MiMo Code Auto, free for limited time. Xiaomi MiMo platform. You can also use MiMo Code in different platform like Open Code, Claude Code, Cursor, and many other platform. Main things in its official website, it will also mention a next generation AI coding assistance for developers. Unlimited context lets you understand, build, and collaborate more effectively. Top tier model out of the box. Multi-agent build, plan, and compose. In open code, we have C build and plan, but it will also aid the compose. Persistence memory at the current time. Every AI model are thinking the previous things what developer are do and continue from there and take a reference from there. Default full tools permissions for developer, read only analysis mode for code exploration and solution design. Compose orchestration mode for specs driven development and skill driven workflows. Persistence memory, project memory, session checkpoint, intelligence context management, automatic checkpoints, task tracking. It will mention many things. Exciting. Voice input, and here is the configuration part, development, relationship to open code. It will mention that MiMo Code is viewed as a fork of open code. It look like similar. After this all, let's explore how is it. I'm going to install it in my system. npm, let's get it started. First, let's install and try it. Copy this command. Before pasting it, keep in mind you already need to install Node and npm in your system. First, check it if version will be reflected here. That means it will be already installed. If not, install it. First, go to the official website and you can easily download it and check if it will be successfully installed or not. After you have installed it, paste this command in the terminal, press enter. It will just take 2-3 minutes to install. After it will install, we are going to test. Let's wait until it will be installed. Now it will be installed and it will mention that to run, just type MiMo. It will open the interface of MiMo to use. Warning, you are about to open your home directory. Yeah, I want to open it in my home directory. If you want to open it from any directory, then you can create any folder and you can easily open it from there. I understand the risk trust for this session. Okay, now it will be open. From the tab, you can change the mode, build, plan, compose. If you can select the backslash and type the model, then here will be the list of model available. Currently, MiMo V 2.5 will be freely available. I'll set it in the high and I will close it. Control C. Okay, I'll open it in my folder. CD, airport. Okay, CD. I think this path will be available. Okay, now from this test folder, I am going to open MiMo. Okay, I'll trust this, open it. Hi, let's check. Is it working or not? Agree and continue. Okay, It will be fast as well. Exciting. It will respond me in 514 millisecond. Are you ready to help me? Okay, it is super fast. I like it. Now, I'm going to test by building one simple project. Okay, I'll give one simple prompt to build. Build a modern SaaS landing page with a hero section, pricing section, testimonial FAQ, dark mode toggle, and responsive design. Only for testing purpose, how much time it will take and what its performance. It is super fast. It will be sure. It already reflect that. Let's wait until it will complete. Now it will completed and I'll ask give me the link to open. It will say open index.html in browser to preview, but I'll ask here give me the link to preview this website. Can you give me the link to open it in browser? Okay, look good. Good. I like it. Good. Little bit animation and navigation is also working. Perfect. I like it. I will continue to chat with them and ask, can you add a little bit animation in background to make it more interactive? Here it will clearly mention that it will be for limited time use until it will be free. It will be perfect for coding. If you didn't want to install MiMo code, then MiMo is also available in open code. Use it from there. At least use. It will not matter from where. Use it and learn something new. This time it will take a little bit more time as compared to the previous time, because if you are going to modify any file, modify any project, then first it will read, then plan, then it will start to modify. That's why it will take a little bit time as compared to the first time. Okay, you have already see how is it look. It will be awesome. It will add animation in background. You can easily choose Minimax code for your coding journey. Okay, that I feel it will be better in the dark mode as compared to the light mode. Okay, that's it for today's video. This is my first time. I like it. You can also explore it and comment down below how do you rate them. How is it? This token is reset in every time, in every session. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.